A black box isn't black. They paint it bright orange so you can find it in the wreckage. That's this channel. The bright orange thing in the AI wreckage, recording everything so you can see what actually happened.
The internet is selling you AI as the apocalypse or as a fake magic trick. It's neither. It's a tool, an agent, your employee, and you can be the one in control, whether it's from your desk, the couch, or your phone on the beach. That's what this channel is designed to do.
The cutting edge of coding technology used to be sequestered away, literally gated away, at research facilities, behind locked doors, practiced by academics and engineers with master's degrees in computer science and systems engineering. After years of dues paid at one of the FANG companies, you were officially in the club. But that is over now. And the guys selling the courses, they've told you that too. But here's what makes them sweat. The gate is open. You'll grab it, you'll install it, and you'll feel like part of the club. So here's what we're doing, and what you can expect. Every episode demonstrates something genuinely useful, and ships it as a real runnable repo. You get the lesson, you get the download, free, and you get the knowledge. And because nothing here ships without something you can run, even this episode has a repo. One command. It installs, it runs, and a cow shows up. By the way, the real shit starts in the next episode. You can download this repo to see what I mean, and get ready. But it just runs a cow. That's not AGI. So let's get started on this. Tune in, and come back for the next episode of Black Box AI. Bring your brain, not your wallet.